Best deals.
1. Oil dispenser. Made with silica glass which makes it sturdy and long-lasting, stainless steel spout which enables controlled pouring, its classy design adds a touch of elegance and restaurant-like look to your home. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Knife sharpener. Features a versatile 3-slot design with rough grinding, fine grinding, and polishing grinding stages. This ensures that users always have the right sharpener for their specific knife sharpening needs. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Baking mat. It is strongly adhesive to the countertop or other surfaces, it does not slip and slide on the countertop and can realize complete adhesion. Food-grade silicone can ensure your food healthy. BPA-free and stick-resistant. This mat won't tarnish or discolor for baking. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Kitchen dustbin. Made up of 100% food grade and BPA-free, our kitchen over-the-cabinet waste bins are used for dry, wet waste of offices and homes, and easy-to-hold handles. The handle is bent inside to fit the door tight. It's practical and durable that lasts long after times of use. It's strong enough to withstand the standard pressure while use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopper. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable blade for seamless chopping. The chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. The BPA-free tool features a simple eco-friendly design for ease of use. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference, low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Chakla stand. Made of premium metal which makes it strong and durable for long-term purpose in the kitchen and provide pure customer satisfaction with the quality. Stand comes in a classic design with a simplistic finish that will help keep your kitchen sleek and organized. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spoons. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel with fine polishing finish process, ensuring rust resistance and long-last durability. Wooden handle design is more comfortable to hold. As non-stick stainless steel measuring spoon, very easy to clean. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mold. Silicone mold can be used to make pretty, colorful soaps to fit with any decorating style. You also can create your own special desserts, petite loaf, muffin, brownie, cornbread, cheesecake, pudding and candle. Easy to clean up, microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer and dishwasher safe. Cake baking mold is made of food-grade silicone, which is flexible, also silicone material non-toxic for your own safety and the safety of your family. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Wooden chopping board. Features a convenient drip tray that collects juices and liquids, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Smooth surface won't damage or dull your knives, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. The steel drip tray is removable and dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Sealer. Perfect for tightly sealing and storing all types of foods and snacks, so that the food stays fresh and tastier for longer. They are fast and easy to use and their grip is very strong. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Wall hanger. Can be used in various areas of your home, such as the bathroom, bedroom, or office, offering a versatile solution for hanging different items. The high-quality wall stick hook adhesive ensures a secure grip on various surfaces, including walls, tiles, and cabinets. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cutter. Made from high-quality metal, easy to cut such as hard vegetable like jackfruit and hard cell cover fruit and vegetable, ideal for cutting fish, vegetable, fruit, made of black iron sheet. Designed to save time and prevent your hands from cuts and scrapping. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kulfi molds. The materials used include food-grade 304 stainless steel for the molds and the rack, bamboo for the sticks, silicone for the rings, and recycled packaging that can be reused. designed as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic popsicle molds. Designed and tested by team of parent ecologists. Toddler, kid, adult, and family-friendly, clean with warm soap water and dry before every use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil sprayer. Made of food-grade PP material and lead-free glass, fill in the sprayer with olive oil, vinegar, juice, wine etc., using for BBQ, making salad, baking, frying, grilling, olive oil sprayer mister and many more. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cutter. Designed for extra large apples, which can be used for cutting apples up to 4 inches. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Butter dish. Organizer is the perfect addition to other kitchen storage containers, as it helps to keep the food fresh along with avoiding insects and dust. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chopping board. Comes with a mobile holder feature that allows you to place your mobile on the chopping board while cutting vegetables for meal prep. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Grater. Attachable container for catching, measuring and storing freshly grated vegetables, sharp, stainless steel blades for easy grating, sturdy handle provided for holding, it's strong enough to withstand standard pressure while use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sealing. Comes with both heat sealing and blade cutting. Keeping food fresh is much easier with this handheld heat sealer. You can seal food vacuum bags or chips bags directly to prevent food spoilage. The built-in stainless steel sharp blade helps you open the package quickly and smoothly. Sealer machine can reseal various bags to keep food fresh and crispy, such as chips, snacks, sandwiches, candy, pet food vacuum bags, etc. Also works for mylar bags and plastic bags. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Garbage bags holder. Mesh folding and hanging design, with mesh design saving time to find what you want, foldable for easy to storage. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Dish rack. Customize your storage with 6 adjustable dividers to perfectly fit items so it's easy to find and remove one thing at a time. Soft non-slip feet hold the pan organizer firmly in place inside the cabinet, no mounting or installation required. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Infuser mug. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant borosilicate clear glass, and food-grade stainless steel. The glass teacup does not stain and the detachable stainless steel infuser cleans easily by just removing and rinsing with water. The teacup lid also functions as a coaster for the infuser strainer. Brew your favorite tea for the perfect amount of time. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Rose flower mold. Can be used to making cake, cupcake, chocolates, candy, bread, soap, muffin, candles, jelly, ice cubes, party favors and more. The flexible materials means that they are easy to clean and store. Non-stick and flexible, it's easy to release the chocolate from the molds. These rose flower molds are microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer and dishwasher safe. These molds supports temperature from oven to freezer, make healthy snacks with kids. Kids will love it when it pop out with good detail shape. Great for making gummies, chocolates, candies, gelatin, hard candy, fruit snack, fudge, ice cubes, crayons and much more. Product link is given in the 23rd link. Thanks for watching.